My boss.
Who is your boss?
Meet my boss.
Where is he? Where's your boss?
My friend, will you shut up? Boss, please pardon him.
Boss, no vessel.
Young man, why are you coming late? Look at the time.
Boss, sorry, sir. I was stuck in the hold up. That is why, sir. I'm the transporter.
Okay. Makukushi idikatia.
Ne. Skibu. Yebum ne. Skibu ayini.
Now, take these goods. These are my goods. I don't joke with it. You have to take it, deliver it to the address.